Hey guys, it's your girl Sanaya and I am back with another video. And for today's video I will be filming an eyebrow tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys, let me spell my gum real quick. I just wanted to show you guys a more in-depth look of how I do my eyebrows and things like that. So without further ado, we're gonna get right on into the video. Okay, so for the first step, I like to just comb out my eyebrows, make sure no hairs are like everywhere. So we're gonna do that right now. And what I like to do, because before I started like going to get my eyebrows, you know, waxed and stuff, I used to have like very bushy eyebrows. So right here, like you can see, like the hair is like growing in because I need to go back and get them waxed. But for now, what I do is I just like brush it back and I get the hairs that's like right here, like little baby hairs, and I'll just put them up there so that everything would be in place. So I have my mirror, so this is what we're gonna do. So I'm just brushing it, then I'm gonna make sure those hairs are up there too, and then I'm gonna go on into the other side and I'll be back once I'm done with that side. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are in place, we're gonna start by using the pomade, and I'm gonna show you guys which pomade that I use. Alright, so I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow pomade in the color deep brown. So this is how it looks. Hold up. So now I'm gonna be using this angle brush right here, as you guys can see. And I'm not going to be able to talk and do my brows at the same time, so I'm just going to paste the video up and put some music in the background. So yeah. So now I'm just going to go back in with the pomade. I'm just going to take a little bit. And now I'm just going to go in like where you see like the spots at that's not filled in. I'm just going to take a little bit. Now I'm just going to get my spoolie and I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows. So let's go. So at the bottom, I started out with the line right here so that I can have somewhere to trace that. Now I'm just going to get the spoolie and I'm going to lift that pomade up a little bit. Alright, so now that I am done with that, I'm going to conceal this. Alright, so this is a concealer I use. We're almost out, but we're trying to hold on to this for dear life until we go to the store and get some more. But I'm just going to get a little bit on my hand. I'm just going to get that. And if any of you guys are wondering, this is in the color Cafe, so 30 Cafe. Yeah. So as you can see, I just got through blending, and you can see the concealer, like how light it is. So I'm gonna go back later on and remove the concealer, but now I'm just gonna get the spoolie and I'm just gonna go back and brush out my eyebrow. So this is me with the brow on, me with the brow off. Yeah, I'm gonna do this brow off camera, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm complete with it. So yeah, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I am thankful for all the different comments that some of you guys put on my videos and things like that. I appreciate all the support that I get. I love it. I'm gonna continue to bring you guys on this journey with me of this YouTube life or whatever. This brow actually looks better than this brow, but we're not gonna talk about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.